Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Video, where I upload videos about not only how to make money with videos but with Etsy and KDP. But we're not talking about that today. Today we're talking about my plans for one of my businesses, which is the Christmas Everyday Club. Now, if you're new here, please feel free to check out any of my videos. It's only a small channel. I'm not monetized, so any of the watch time is very much appreciated. So let's get into it, guys. Christmas Everyday Club. This is my website. If you want to come and check it out, feel free. Sign up. You can get lots of freebies like word searches, coloring pages, games, you name it, guys. Yeah, you're checking on any of these recipes, freebies, trivia. Yeah, feel free. And we've also got a blog post. So my main goal for this year for this website, so if you want to check out, we've got fun activities and all that, yeah, where you can buy stuff, extra stuff for music and videos. But my main goal is to build on this, yeah, but build on the blog and start earning from ad revenue, guys, yeah. That is my main goal for this, as well as add lots of freebies. Yeah, I'm going to start adding loads of freebies, so it's going to be a good site for anyone to come and get lots of free stuff, different printables like learning materials, games, you name it, guys. Lots of free printable stuff. Yeah, so that's that for the website. Now over on Feedspot, yeah, I've got the website up to rank 8. I'm trying to get it in the top 5, guys. Yeah, it'd be brilliant if it got to number 1, but there's a lot of tough competition out there with some great Christmas websites. But I'm happy it's at number 8. I'm going to keep building on it, and yeah, that's the plan for on Feedspot. Now over on the Christmas Everyday Club YouTube channel, my goal for this is to keep uploading videos, yeah, and keep building on the ad revenue, guys. Yeah, I might throw in the odd affiliate marketing in this, like to Amazon, where you can go and buy the movies. But my main goal for this is to build the ad revenue. Yeah. Now over on Etsy is where I made quite a good impact. Yeah, a good impacted my income. Yeah, I have got videos about it, but this is it. The Christmas Everyday Club. I do printables. Yeah, I do games like word searches and that. I do bundles. You name it, guys. I do lots of different games. So feel free to come and check it out, or even better, buy some. But my goal for this is to keep making Christmas printables. But I'm also going to upload like different printables for different holiday sections, like for Easter and Valentine's Day and 4th of July, Halloween, etc. But not to take away from Christmas Everyday Club, I'm going to add more Christmas stuff. Yeah, so by the time next Christmas comes and people are buying Christmas games, Christmas printable games, yeah, I'm going to have lots of different what do you call them, different things to buy. Yeah, so I might have a few already. Let me just I've got quite a few uploaded already, but not as many as some other channels, guys. And as you can see, I've made 260 sales. I've got a 5-star rating, which I'm happy about. Yeah, really happy about that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. Now over on KDP, Christmas Everyday Club, I'm going to keep uploading Christmas related books. Yeah. Also, I'm going to add like diaries and other stuff, like other books what are doing well, because although it's called Christmas Every Day, they don't have to be Christmas related books. It's about like gifts and that, yeah. So people can come here every day and buy things. That's the whole point of it, yeah. That's the whole point of Christmas Day. But I'm also still going to keep uploading like Christmas planners, coloring books, and activity books, stuff like that, guys. So I'm going to grow on that. I've made quite a few sales, but nothing like what other people are making. Yeah, I'm not making thousands. I'm not making hundreds yet. Pinterest. I started with Pinterest the last couple of months of before Christmas 2021, and look, I'm getting 17,500 monthly views. This has helped dramatically with Etsy. Yeah, as you can see, I've got different ones. It helps send them to my website, helps send them to my Etsy pages, you name it, guys. I've made, it's helped a lot. Yeah. So my plan for this is to keep uploading posts to the website, and then uploading pins to here to send them over to the website. And then also every time I upload to Etsy or to Amazon KDP, I make a pin for it, and hopefully it'll help with the growth of my Pinterest as well as my sales on the other. Now, Christmas Everyday Club Facebook group, this is the group, yeah. I've got it to 2,100 members, right? And it's not that old, this group, but I'm happy about it so far. I'm going to continue to upload Christmas related content. Not every single day, but I'll try to every day. But I can't guarantee it. Yeah, like Christmas related posts, yeah, hopefully get people commenting. I upload games like this so people can get involved and interact with it, yeah. Other people can post as well, but one of my main goals, I want to grow this channel. And if people have bought any of my books, if people have downloaded any of my printables, yeah, if they've got any of my free stuff, I want them to upload them to the channel, to the page, to the group, so then other people can see them, and then other people might want them, and that, yeah, guys. So that's my goal. I want this group to become more active, and then start sharing what they've, like the colouring pages and that, yeah. So if you want some free stuff, come over here, guys, and then look, you can get these colouring pages, yeah. If you scroll across on here or look at the featured stuff, you'll see lots of different other different featured stuff, yeah, different freebies and that. Now, over on the Christmas Everyday Club page, yeah, I've got 5-star reviews, so which I'm happy about. But I upload I share everything I upload to Amazon and KD and Etsy, and then the website I share over here. Yeah, guys. I've got it to nearly 2,000 people who follow it, and yeah, I've also uploaded my books here, so you can come and buy the books if you want, or you can check out any of these what I've uploaded. So feel free to check this out. My main goal for this is just continue what I'm doing, guys. Yeah, that's all I can do. Now, Instagram, I upload. When I watch a Christmas movie, I upload it to Instagram, yeah, and I might not have many followers, yeah, I've not got many followers at all, but I'm happy the way what I'm doing this. I don't want to do too much. Don't want to spend too much on Instagram. Same with Twitter. I upload basically everything, and I've not got many people following. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Now, TikTok, I've got over 1,000 followers, which I'm happy about. What I do, I upload videos of like games and all those interactive games I post on it. Well, I let people join in, and some people like it. A lot of people like it, guys. I've got over 2,000 likes, and then I also upload what movies I'm watching, so people can watch as well. People can comment if they like it and that as well, guys. And that is it, guys, for my plans for Christmas Everyday Club. I'm basically trying to grow it all. I'm going to do it like throughout the year, and each different social media platform, a different website, and all that, guys. It's got its own different agenda, but it all links together, guys. So hope you enjoyed that video. That's one of my businesses, and I will be back another time with one of my other businesses. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, comment below. And like I said, go over to the website, sign up for the freebies, or go over to Facebook group, join it, and get some more freebies. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.